Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to set up the best settings for your Sceptre monitor. Open the monitor menu and go to the picture settings. Start with the backlight setting. For general use, set it between 80 and 100 depending on the brightness of your room. For gaming, set it between 40 and 60 for a more comfortable viewing experience during longer sessions. Next, set brightness to 60 for general use and 50 for gaming. Then adjust contrast to between 45 and 50 for general use and set it to 50 for gaming. These settings help create a balanced image with good detail in both bright and dark areas. Now go to color temperature. For general use, set red to 45, green to 50, and blue to 65. For gaming, select normal or warm. After that, set gamma to 2.2 for both general use and gaming to maintain accurate colors and proper image depth. Continue by turning overdrive on and set it to medium or normal. This reduces motion blur and ghosting, making moving objects appear clearer on screen. Finally, enable FreeSync or G-Sync if your monitor supports it. This helps reduce screen tearing and provides smoother gameplay. Once all settings have been applied, save them if your monitor supports custom profiles. Thanks for watching.